I will let you decide what to do with this word. It's an action word. In Master Azerbaijani, we have the word SATMAQ. SATMAQ. SATMAQ is to sell, to betray. Let's see. To sell a car, to betray a friend. Maşını SATMAQ. Maşın. It's from Russian. Maşına. Maşın, a car. Maşını, that car. Exactly, you know, which car are you selling? Dost, friend. Dostu, a friend. To use showing which friend. Dostu SATMAQ. We can say Maşın SATMAQ, Dost SATMAQ, but then that will be any car, any friend. Okay. Now, sentences. 2 il əvvəl aldığım köhnə maşını daha baha qiymətə satmaq üçün elan yerləşdirdim. Amma alıcılarla danışdıktan sonra qiyməti biraz endirməli oldum. It was fun for me to say daha baha. Let's see. Translation. I posted an ad to sell the old car I bought 2 years ago for a higher price. But after talking to buyers, I had to lower the price a bit. Let's see. 2 is 2, years evvel, before, ago. 2 il evvel, 2 years ago. Aldığım köhnə maşını, the old car that I bought, daha baha, higher, basically. Daha is the word that you want to use for every single thing that you want to compare. Daha yüksek, higher. Daha baha, more expensive, basically higher price. So don't pay attention that they're like kind of rhyming. It's just one situation. Daha baha qiymətə, for a higher price, satmaq üçün, to sell. Elan yerləşdirdim. I posted an ad. Elan, ad. Announcement, also elan. Now, ama, but. Alıcılarla danıştıktan sonra, alıcı, buyer, alıcılar, buyers, alıcılarla with the buyers basically. Danıştıktan sonra talking, sonra after. Qiyməti, the price, biraz, a bit, a little. Endirməli oldum, had to lower. 2 il əvvəl aldığım köhnə maşını daha baha qiymətə satmaq üçün elan yerləşdirdim. Amma alıcılarla danışdıktan sonra qiyməti biraz endirməli oldum. That's the regular flow of sentence. A little faster, I know. Next one. We're starting slow. Uşaqlıq dostumu xırda bir üstünlüyə görə satmaq fikri məni narahat etsə də, sadiqliyin daha dəyərli olduğunu ona açıq şəkildə izah etdim. Let's see. Although the idea of betraying my childhood friend for a small advantage bothered me, I explained to him plainly that loyalty is more valuable. Let's see. Uşaqlıq, childhood. Uşaq is a child. Dostumu, friend, my friend. Dost, friend, dostum, my friend. Xırda bir, a little, small. Üstünlüyə görə, for advantage. Satmaq fikri, the idea of betraying. Məni narahat etsə də, although it bothered me, sadiqliyin, the loyalty, daha dəyərli, see the word daha? More valuable olduğunu, because it is, means that loyalty is more valuable. Açıq şəkildə, ona açıq şəkildə. Açıq şəkildə is clearly, plainly. In clear form, in plain form. Şəkil is kind of form. But the right way, plainly here. Ona, to him. İzah ettim. Explained. I explained technically. Because izah etmək, to explain. İzah etti, he, she, it explained. İzah ettim, I explained. Now, that was today's word, SATMAQ. Fun use? Yes. Try to SATMAQ my clutter online. Even the junk site passed. Now, to support your language journey, I have built Master Azerbaijani app where you can find Module 1 completely free. It's the foundational module to help you learn the language. I also have masterazerbaijani.com that I've been posting since 2025 November. every 10 days, blogs on multiple topics to give you tips and tricks on language, grammar, history, cultural aspects of things. Feel free to check those out. Otherwise, I'll be around tomorrow. Cheers.